Hello guys, welcome back to Byte Geek. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted or even formatted data from your USB or external hard drive in Windows 10 or 11 using a completely free and powerful tool called TestDisk and PhotoRec. If you've accidentally deleted your photos, videos, documents, or you accidentally deleted an entire folder, don't panic. In many cases, this tool can bring almost everything back. It's known for having a very high recovery success rate. I'm currently on my Windows 11 computer, and I'll use a USB flash drive to walk you through the entire recovery process. This pen drive originally had some photos on it. Let's say those files were permanently deleted or the drive was formatted by mistake. To show you how well this works, I'll format the drive completely. Once the format is finished, the drive is empty and all the files are gone. If something like this has happened to you, this exact method can help you recover your data. Before we begin, there's one very important thing you need to keep in mind. As soon as your data is deleted or a drive is formatted, stop using that drive immediately. Don't copy new files to it, and don't store any new data on it. Adding new files can overwrite the deleted data, which makes recovery much harder or sometimes impossible. So the moment you realize your data is gone, stop using the drive and start the recovery process right away. To recover the data, first open your browser and type TestDisk PhotoRec and press enter. Go to the TestDisk website page. You'll find the link in the description so you can access it. When you land on the website, you'll see versions available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. I'm using Windows 64-bit version, so I'll download the Windows 64-bit version. The file is small, so it downloads quickly. Once the download is complete, open the folder, right-click on the zippy file, and select Extract All, then extract it. After extraction, open the folder and scroll down until you find a file called photorec_win.exe. This is the recovery tool. Right-click on it and choose Run as administrator. If you see the blue Windows protection screen, don't worry. Just click on More Info and then select Run anyway. The file is completely safe. Windows Defender is simply showing this message because the app isn't recognized, not because it's harmful. A simple command line style window will open. In this window, you'll see a list of all the drives connected to your computer. Now you need to select the drive from which your data was deleted. You can identify it by checking the drive size. In my case, it is showing two drives. First is my Windows installation drive, and second one is my USB drive, which is Kingston. My USB drive is about 57 gigabytes, so I'll select its second option and press enter. Next, the tool will ask whether you want to scan a specific partition or the entire disk. If you're not sure, always choose the first option that scans the whole disk. This gives the software the best chance to recover as many files as possible. Press enter to continue. After that, PhotoRec will ask you to select the file system type that was used on the drive before the data was deleted. Most Windows drives use NTFS, so I'll select the second option and press enter. Now comes a very important step. Please select a destination to save the recovered files to. If you have a partition, go into the local disk partition and create a new folder and name it Recovery. If you don't have another partition, you can create folder in local disk C drive. Back in PhotoRec tool, you'll notice that the C drive is selected by default. To move out of this directory, press the left arrow key on your keyboard, then again press left arrow key. Now you are in root directory. It is showing all the drives. Then navigate to the drive where you want to save the recovered files. In my case, that's the E drive. Once I open it, I can see the recovery folder I just created. I'll select it and press enter. Once you're in the correct destination folder, press the C key on your keyboard to start the recovery process. The scan will begin immediately, and you'll see the number of recovered files on the screen. Depending on the size of your storage drive and how much data was lost, this process can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. PhotoRec scans the drive sector by sector to recover as much data as possible. You don't even have to wait for the entire scan to finish to see results. As you can see, it's already recovered several photos and some text files within just a few seconds. Now, if I go back to the partition drive and open the folder where the recovered files were saved, you can see the exact photos were deleted earlier is now showing in recovery folder. These are the same files that were deleted or lost after formatting. You can now copy them back to your original drive or store them wherever you like. And that's how easy it is to recover deleted or formatted data on Windows using TestDisk and PhotoRec application. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to Byte Geek for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.